YouTube is changing the way it counts views, and starting August 24th, 2026, you may notice your public view counts increasing faster than before. But before you celebrate, there's something very important you need to understand.
Oh yeah.
More public views does not automatically mean more money. So what exactly is changing? Why is YouTube doing this? And what does it mean for your channel? Let's break it down quickly and clearly. Welcome to Zewali Tech. Number 1. A view will now count from the first frame. Starting August 24th, 2026, YouTube is introducing a new standard for counting public views across all video formats. Under the new system, a public view will be counted as soon as your video begins playing, from the very first frame. Previously, YouTube used different view counting systems for different formats. Now, YouTube is bringing these systems together under one global standard. So whether you're uploading shorts or other video formats, YouTube wants public views to be measured more consistently across the platform. Number 2. Your view count may grow faster. This is probably the first thing creators will notice. YouTube says that from August 24th, you'll likely see your total public view count increase faster moving forward. Why? Because views will be counted from the moment playback begins. So if you suddenly notice that your public views are increasing faster than you're used to, don't immediately assume something unusual has happened. It may simply be the new counting system. But there's an important distinction you need to understand. Number 3. Public views and engaged views are different. YouTube is keeping the original view metric, which will now be referred to as engaged views. You can find this in YouTube Analytics Arrow Advanced Mode. Engaged views help you understand how many viewers actually chose to continue watching your content. So think about it this way. Public views tell you about your overall exposure. Engaged views tell you more about how viewers actually interacted with your video. That's why creators shouldn't focus on the public view counter alone. Number 4. This does not mean more money. Now let's address the question I know many creators are asking. If my public views increase, will I earn more money? According to YouTube, this update does not change creator earnings. YouTube says earnings will continue to be based on relevant engaged metrics, including engaged shorts views and engaged watch hours. So don't assume that every additional public view will automatically increase your earnings. The new system is primarily changing how public views are counted and displayed. Your monetization system remains separate. Number 5. Why PP eligibility is not changing. Here's another important point. This update will not change the YouTube Partner Program eligibility requirements. So if you're working toward monetization, you don't suddenly have a new target because of this particular announcement. YouTube is, however, changing some of the terminology. Valid public shorts views will now be referred to as qualified shorts views, and valid public watch hours will now be called qualified watch hours. The terminology is changing, but YouTube says there is no change to YPP eligibility as a result of this update. Number 6. Why is YouTube doing this? So why make this change at all? YouTube says creators have wanted a clearer and more consistent way of understanding their true exposure on the platform. Previously, different video formats could use different view counting systems. That created confusion. Now YouTube is trying to create one consistent public view standard across all formats. And there could be another benefit. YouTube says the new metric may make it easier for creators to communicate their overall reach and value to brands and potential sponsors.
Number 7. What should you do? The good news is that you don't need to make any major changes to your channel.
Nope.
You don't need to delete old videos.
Nope.
You don't need to change your niche.
Nope.
And you don't need to completely change your content strategy.
Nope.
Instead, when the new system begins on August 24th, pay attention to your analytics.
Yes!
If your public views start increasing faster, remember that the counting system has changed. And don't judge your channel's performance based only on that number. Look at engaged views, watch time, audience retention, returning viewers, and your overall engagement. Those numbers will help you understand whether people are actually enjoying your content. So let's summarize everything. Starting August 24th, 2026, YouTube will count a public view when a video begins playing from the first frame. The new standard will apply globally across YouTube's video formats. Your public view counts may therefore increase faster. Engaged views will remain available in YouTube Analytics. Your creator earnings are not changing because of this update. And your YPP eligibility requirements are not changing because of this update. So don't confuse a change in the public view counter with a change in monetization. They are two different things. Final thought. Personally, I think the biggest benefit here is clarity. Creators will have a more consistent public view metric across YouTube. And if you see your numbers moving differently after August 24th, you'll know why. But remember, a bigger view count isn't necessarily a better performing channel. What matters is what viewers do after they click. Do they stay? Do they watch? Do they engage? Do they come back? That's what you should continue focusing on. What do you think about YouTube's new way of counting views? Do you think this will make YouTube Analytics easier to understand? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you understand the update, like, subscribe to Zewali Tech, and turn on notifications. For more updates and tutorials about YouTube, Canva, CapCut, ChatGPT, Google Sheets, AI tools, digital skills, and making money online, you're in the right place. Thanks for watching. Think smarter, learn technology, build your digital future. This is Zewali Tech.